Yo, Tommy D, what up, baby?
I got a question for you. Are you free tomorrow, like all day?
It depends. Possibly, yeah.
Would you like to film a video? It's like a challenge video.
Yeah, I'm always up for a challenge.
All right, sweet, perfect.
Go from there. I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi, what's your name?
This is my roommate's cousin.
Your roommate's cousin.
Nice to meet you.
Introduce yourself real quick.
What's going on? The name is Boss Haas, aka Mike, aka Topanga, aka Tobanga.
I like that. Also have Kirsten over there.
Let's do a side boom.
She's gonna be holding the key all day. She's not gonna be with us.
But she's hot.
Yeah.
She's super hot. Like fiery hot. Wait, if she had Cheetos on her fingers, I'd be licking them up.
You're not getting handcuffed to her. Alright. These are like real too. Yeah, they're very real. Where do you get these?
Funny.
Solid.
Well, not funny, but like...
They're not like the toy kind you can like rip off.
Well, no, Dom's like, we're gonna handcuff each other. You know why I know they're real? Because I've been in the back of a cop car.
Oh my god.
Okay. Could you please sign this?
Oh yeah,
So
sure. You want an autograph? So y'all witness that I'm
No,
not reading this shit.
It's just...
Yeah, I read like a girl, kind of.
So it's just saying, if anything does happen to me, everything's liable on you.
Okay.
Well, we're gonna do whatever you need to do. So what do you want to do?
Oh, should we drive somewhere?
So I was thinking that. I think we should Uber.
Yeah. But driving would be pretty cool, you know? You could sit on my lap. I don't know why I have my hand on your knob. Your steering knob, I mean.
Downshift.
I have chicks come over and I check their credit scores out, because there's nothing worse than a chick in LA with a bad credit score. 700 and above, or get the hell out of here. Alright, let's get out of this whip. Yeah. Oh, forgot I'm attached to Dom. I'll get it. Yeah. Oh, thanks, man. See, this is how you have to do this challenge.
Wait. I just thought, like, if something really bad happens, we don't have the key. She's not with us.
Like a hound dog.
Why'd she not come with us?
I could
I
sniff
don't
her
know.
out.
That's why I wanted her to come with. Like, if, like, okay, hold my hand so it doesn't look.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God,
You guys are cute.
we're at Salt and Straw, my favorite ice cream place. I'm gonna get him his favorite flavor of the month, right?
What's the flavor of the month?
Well, I
We'll
guess
see.
it's on me.
It's on you? What up, Tommy D?
I love this guy.
Here, let's give a cheers. LA.
You got a friend in me.
Love's pride.
You got a friend.
Stand with love. I love you, man.
What should we do next?
We should go get a mani-pedi. I wonder if I got any of that chocolate on my face. Oh no, that's just my sexy mustache I've been growing.
You have a sexy Justin Bieber mustache.
Justin Bieber got one now too?
Pretty much.
Everybody
Joe
copies
Dirt
my
energy.
style, I swear. Ah! I'm good, are you good? Ah! Look at that! I forgot word. Hi TMZ! It's Tom DeAngelis!
There's the nails.
The nail salon, I feel like Madonna. I just want see my fingers, they're not very good, but maybe like you could do something with them. I was thinking a mani-pedi, or is my fingers too messed up?
You want mani-pedi?
Well, I wanted to get them colored. How about if it's my first time? You can do anything?
Yeah, you have it.
That feels good. You got skills. Oh, feels so good. Oh.
Thank you, sir.
Another? I literally feel like I was on ecstasy in here.
60.
Hey. Wanna get chained with us?
Oh,
Fuck your ass, man! Yeah!
oh, Jesus.
Oh, God! Fuck your ass! What's wrong with this dick? Yeah, get him! What's wrong with
Okay, stop. Scaring the tourists. People are gonna think we're on crack cocaine.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. What a day. This is a day. Hey.
Super good. I can give you guys a sample too of anything on draft.
Could I try
Hello, motherfucker.
Maybe I don't have to pee. No, I don't have to pee.
Alright. That works. That works.
Tom is actually busy.
Oh my god, dude. We're gonna have to call a Guinness book for I've never heard somebody pee that loud. Don't drop it.
Drop the liquid soap.
Don't drop the liquid soap.
Dom, how's the strip club?
You should ask this guy. He's the one with cheeks in his face the whole time.
Let's just put it this way. You get a 2-for-1 when you're chained.
How much would someone have to pay you guys to do this for a year straight?
10 grand.
100 grand? The night's. Ow! There's no key yet. Look at this. Wait, get a close on this.
Check this out.
God, you know how many calories you've burned today?
I've been burning and learning and earning. It's a tough life in Cali, baby.
Thank you so much.
Oh, my hand.
There we go. Gosh, damn.
We did it!
Shut up, fucking 99, yeah.
Wow, thank you for watching, guys. What a day, what a night. Kirsten, thank you for keeping the key safe. Thank you, man.
Thank you, buddy.
You need a Henny X pasta shirt. Let me get you one.
Oh, I'd love one. Do you have a XXX?
Love you. Bada boom, bada bang. Thank you for watching. Share this video because we didn't fake any of this. Just show it some love. Okay, see you guys. Bye. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you. I really appreciate you. I love you. Sorry if this video took a little too long to upload. I lost all this footage and I had to get it back somehow. All the files were corrupted. It was crazy, but I got it all back. I got most of the footage back. I'm just glad I could put this out because this day was awesome. But, I have more video ideas in the future. I'm trying to, think outside the box. I want quality. Quality vids. Quality and quantity go hand in hand, but quality over quantity. Am I right? I don't know. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Get yourself some merch down below. And yeah, all right, love you.
This is gonna be interesting. I haven't seen you in a while, man. Good looking, man. You got strong, bro.
Really?
Hey, give me a pinch.
Oh, you're hard.
No, give me a feel. I got a B cup, bro.
Savage.